by drawing 10 horizontal lines spaced 2.5 centimeters apart. Next, label the lines from top of head to bottom of foot. Connect points between lines 0 and 1, creating a 0.9 centimeter gap on each side, then break it into 4 checkers, having horizontally. For the shoulders, mark 2 points on line which is between 1 and 2 with 1.8 centimeters on each side. For waist, which is line 3, mark 0.9 centimeter points on each side. On line 4, the end of torso, mark 2 points with 1.8 centimeters. Then, connect the dots for the shoulders and waist to hip. Draw straight lines from the top of the thigh. Mark circles on lines 9 and 6 by connecting them. To create a face, add eyes, lips, and ears. Extend lines from the shoulder points to create arms. And at the end of line 4, draw hands on both sides. Shape the lines to create a smooth body figure. Your 10-head basic body figure is now complete.